Hello, welcome. Today again we are going to talk about solution of SE computer science questions, and it was asked in 2081 BS and that last year, and it is N-pabson. Now let's see what were the questions. First, define computer network. We have to write in one sentence. So computer network, simply we can say that when you bring two or more computers in an environment, and in which we can share the information among the computers. We can share the hard disks, we can share the data, files, etc. So that is called computer network. We can also share that software. Yes, we can make centralized, decentralized system. What is search engine? Next question is the search engine. Um, so it is an application that runs online and that helps us to find the so text contains videos, images, so that is search engine. What is tuple in database? Tuple, it is called record in database, and that record exists in a row. Given name of any two RDBMS software. So RDBMS software examples are Oracle, MS Access, MySQL. Define local variable. So that variable which is inside the function or the inside the procedure, and that have only local access, means apart from that procedure, other procedures they cannot access, so that is called local variable. Next is a write down any two features of C programming language. So C programming language, obviously we can use it to write the so applications for the hardware, especially that is called valuable. Not only that much, C programming language also supports us to write the program to develop any other languages. So these are the features. Write appropriate term. A networking device is used to regenerate the signal and transfer further. So repeated, we can say that online postal, and that is email, SIM. Next we have full form. So what SIM stands for? SIM, it stands for subscriber identity module. And next is NOS. It stands for network operating system. So very simple questions were asked in 2081. So 6 marks, then 2 marks, then 2 marks. So 10 marks gone there in group A. Let's go for the group B. Group B, we have first question answer. What are the two advantages of ring topology over bus topology? So ring topology, in ring topology, what happens? And the data which is moving in particular direction, all the devices they have equal rights or the equal access to that moving data. Then that is the first advantage of the ring topology. And next is there in ring topology, since it uses the token concept, means the data carrying concept, and that can be captured by only that device for which the protocol is assigned. But in bus topology that is not available. Next is a hardware security. So hardware security simply says that protection of physical parts of computer system. Physical parts like we can say that mostly keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, the printer. So these are the physical parts, um, and we have to protect them. So that is hardware security. So write the importance of power protection since the computer runs on power. So power protection is must, and to protect the power, we must supply the correct voltage to the computer. Yes, and for that we have to use power protecting devices, which saves the computer from the power fluctuations and prevent the damages. Like we may use UPS, like we may use the bolt card, etc. that can we use there. In the case of power shortage, we can go for that. So next is what do you mean by digital citizenship? Listen, two advantages. Digital citizenship, as the name says, what is a digital citizenship? Means so it is the latest technology used in particular country, and using this, what happens there? We can uh, give the identity of particular citizen and stored on computer, that server, and that citizen can access information, or any department can access information of that citizen throughout the world, throughout the nation. So that is called digital citizenship. Like we may carry about that PAN card, digital PAN card. We may carry about that electronic card, or we may carry that national ID card. So that is digital. Means carry that much only, you will be recognized everywhere. So what are the two advantages of digital citizenship? Digital citizenship advantages, obviously, uh, so informations, they are secured. The first advantage is there, yes, and second is there. uh, uh, it is portable, yes, it is portable, means just we need to carry that much, and we don't need to just say ourselves, our detailed informations to particular country. Thus, swiping that card using the device gives us the detailed information about that one. So there is another advantage of digital uh, citizenship. Some more can be. Some more we can say that. I just said that uh, access of information, and obviously fast communication. We don't need to wait for 2 days, or the days, or the months, or the year. Mostly it takes sometimes days and months, not the year. So that is fast communication. Similarly, that also can be used for financial transactions, and obviously privacy and the security. So that is also part. Environmental benefits, I just said that we don't need to carry lots of documents here and there to show that who we are and what we do and from which country we are. So these all are the advantages of digital citizenship. Next is a define e-commerce. Give example of two commercial sites in Nepal. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, and it says that use online portals, online applications to do business, to sell and buy the products. So any two commercial sites, like very popularly, that is operating in Nepal. Next is a Sasodal, Sasto Deal, that is also operating in Nepal. Munchal, that is also operating in Nepal. Yes. So next is write down the advantage of database management system over traditional data storage system. So database management system, when you talk about, then it is more reliable than traditional data storage system, in the sense database system, it stores the data more systematically. Traditional data storage, yes, it also used to store, but not like the is that database management system. The traditional data storage system, it is to store data in the form of txt file or the XML file. Database management system, it uses the tabular concept, 2D extraction, uh, and it also provides the that relationship concept between the tables. Whereas traditional data storage system, no, it has no such like concept. Um, in that latest database management system, searching, multiple users, assignment, these all are possible. whereas in tradition it was not possible. So that was the meaning of this one. Next is there what is difference between allowed zero length and the required field properties of MS Access. So allowed zero length means it can be null, means if you forget to enter the data then it is okay, fine for that field. Whereas for particular field, if we assign the required, means null is not allowed. So that is called null is not allowed. So that is called required. Allow means you can even skip that. So next is a defined query. Query, it is an object MS Access and it is used to extract the information from the tables. So that is query. There are mainly two types of query: select query and next is an action query. Action query, it has further types: update, delete, append, make table. Yes. So now let's see the 5-number question, and 5-number question says that what is the output we have to use the driver. So let's go for this program and let's see, and we'll also run this program in our QBASIC interpreter. Let's make it two table. Sorry, that diagram table. So in first iteration, it gives us 3. Next time, So as you can see, so these are the values the print is going to print. So output is first 3, then 12, then 27, then 48, then 75. Let's see, this is or not. Yes, paste it here. Okay, now let's save it first. Let's run it. So look here, it is showing 3, 12, 27, 3, 12, 27, yes, 3, 12, 27. Next is 48, 48, then 75. So this is how we get the output. So it's very simple program. Now let's go for the next. Next is uh, correcting the box. Means we have to find the box and we have to rewrite with underline part. Okay, let's start from the top here. We are asked to find the factorial value. So input the number n, find the call function. Yes, actually in this uh, uh, it is using function procedure. Yes, in function procedure we cannot use call, it must be print. So this is the first mistake. Second is here and okay, let's find the factor. So this n we are passing argument here. Yes, so there must be n here. So this is the second part, we have done mistake here. Okay, so here must be n. After that f equals to 1, find there. So this loop it continues until the value of n is 0. So when it is not equal to 0, it has to continue. When it is 0, then it has to stop. So what we have to put there, this part not equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, next is here Next mistake 1 2 3. So third mistake, and next is a $n here. So what we have to do there, it must be a numeric value, a numeric variable. Okay, that's all. So nothing more. All others are okay. So this one, this one, this one, this one. At last the value of f is assigned to factor. Okay, done. So 4 mistakes we have found there. Next, so we have here start the given program, answer the given questions. So let's see what are the questions here. So for this program, we have first question: how many parameters used in our program? List them. So parameter, obviously one is being passed here. So one parameter, and that is n. Next is write a use of mod in our program. So mod, it gives us remainder. So in this program, actually when n is divided by 10, it returns us remainder. So that's called mod. So that's all. So these are the simple conversions you can do easily. So nothing more is there. Now let's write the some programs asked in question 9, then 10. Question 9 said that write a program to calculate area of circle using sub in sub, and perimeter of rectangle using function in function. So 9a, and the b is data validated. So let's go for it. For sub procedure, we have to use area of circle. Yes, area of circle for the sub, using sub procedure, area of circle. And for the function procedure, we have here perimeter. So perimeter we have, So let's save it. Let's run it. So look here, here is the output. Now let's go for second program. Simply it is saying that it already stores some data, name, age, mobile number, a few persons. So we have to display name of those persons who are eligible to cast the vote, and the condition is age must be above 18. So we have to read the data, not the writing. So let's go for this B number. Detail.dat. First variable is there, name, then age, then mobile number. Name is mobile number. Name, age, then mobile number. Yes. Name is mobile number. Okay. Let's put the condition here. If age is more than 18, then we have to print the value on the values in print name dollar age and mobile number. Indeed, that's all. Now close the channel number and so that's all. Nothing more we have to do. So we got it 4 marks. Next is here one question from the C. It is very simple. Let's go for it. Let's first save it on save as 2081. Now we have to go for C program. Let's go for the C program here. Execute user 3 or not. Let's now close this one. Header file, main. So we are asked to enter a number. Yes, let's declare a variable int and printf. Enter a number, scan, then n, then if n divided by 13. So it is divisible here and 13. So 13 equals to 0. So printf is given by 13 and else it is not divisible. Okay, let's save it. Let's run it. Let's keep 78. So it's divisible by 3. 30. So this is how we can add the simple programs. We can get A plus easily. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, in the chat box. Uh, if you don't have any question, then find them. You can join me again tomorrow. We'll be coming with some new questions as in past years in different provinces as well as in Kathmandu, Lalitpur, and some other states. We'll be discussing gradually until the SE is over. So thank you for your time. And if you have any confusion, just use the chat box. You can join me on Facebook as well, and you can join me on YouTube as platform. So thank you, take care, goodbye, and just we'll meet again here tomorrow at 4 p.m.